harder you work, the harder it is to surrender. You gotta be it, not talk about it. Like when you go in there, you both want the exact same thing. Nobody goes in there to lose. You both want the exact same thing. You both got family out there. You both got guys out there who at the end of the day want to smile. But at the end of the day, the person that will surrender is the person that didn't work as hard as the other person.
Rest and recovery for a warrior is to go to work, to build, to recharge the body, mind, and soul.
You gotta be it. It has to consume you. It has to take over you. That when I see you, without even knowing you, I ought to be able to look at you, and from your ethos, I ought to see you are the best of the best. I ought to know what you're doing without you saying one word. It ought to illuminate from you.